The learning objective of this section is to calculate the magnification capabilities of a microscope. Magnification is the ratio of the apparent size of an image to the actual object. Although it depends upon both the lenses and the distances between them, magnification is simply obtained by multiplying the magnification capability of the objective lens by the magnification capability of the ocular lens. For example, a 20 times or 20 power objective lens multiplied by a 10 times ocular lens equals 200 times or 200 magnifications. An important aspect of magnification is resolution. Resolution is how close two objects can be located and still be seen as separate entities. If an increase in magnification only increases the size of an image without increasing the detail or resolution, this is called empty magnification. Empty magnification can be the result of limitations in the preparation of the specimen or in the design of the microscope. In this short section, we have covered magnification, resolution, and empty magnification.